Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android Studio and confirming your app module builds. Make sure the SDK level matches your target. Next, create a drawable for the button background and a theme entry and values. Once done, switch to the XML editor to add a style resource name and attributes. This gives you a single place to change visuals. You must save and trigger a Gradle sync so the new resources are available to the layout preview and emulator immediately. You now define the full style in themes. XML. Set background tint, text color, padding, and min height so buttons match system metrics. Then edit the drawable. Create a shape with corners and stroke, and wrap states with a selector for pressed, focused, and disabled visuals so interactions feel native. Once defined, apply the style to your button elements or to a parent theme attribute. This centralizes changes and keeps XML tidy. Make sure to rebuild so attribute references resolve correctly. You finish by rebuilding the app and testing on a device to verify ripple effects, padding, and accessibility contrast. If your style fails to appear, check you used the correct XML namespace and exact style name, and confirm there are no higher priority resource qualifiers like night or v21 overriding it. Once you confirm the resource is active, use the Layout Inspector and Logcat to trace runtime inflation issues. If problems persist, clean the project and invalidate caches to clear stale resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.